Hello dear students, today we are going to begin lesson number 18, conjunctions. And first of all, we need to know what conjunctions are, and then we'll discuss about the kinds of conjunctions that we have. And I'll be letting you know different kinds of conjunctions as well, along with examples. And after that, we are going to see the usage, of all these conjunctions that are being there. Especially, we'll talk about the coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. The correlative will not be doing, only this, coordinating and subordinating conjunctions we are going to see for today's class. So this is what we are going to see. These are the three things. Just remember, first is definitions of conjunction. Secondly, we shall see the types of conjunctions, and third, we'll see from the book, page number 125. So, what a conjunction? Conjunctions, we know in grammar, conjunction is a part of speech that connects words, phrases, or clauses. So just remember, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions is a part of speech that connects, it connects or join words, phrases, or clauses. Remember this. And now we will see the types of conjunctions. What are the different types of conjunctions? You can also very well see. The first one is coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. So these are the three different types of conjunctions that we will be seeing. The first one, coordinating, fanboys. This here I have written fanboys. So F stands for, and then A stands for and. And then we have the other one. N stands for nor, and B stands for but, and O stands for or, and Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. So we have these, these many coordinating conjunctions. So in a word, you can remember fanboys. If you remember fanboys, then it will be easy for you to remember coordinating conjunctions. Now let's move on to this next one, subordinating conjunctions. Here I have just written down few. There are more than this, which I will be just telling you. First, we can see here after, then as, because, if, since, so, then. So these are few examples which I have written. Other than this, it will be although, as, then as far as if, as long as soon as. We can say even if, when, where, wherever, then every time. We can say so that, then until, whereas, while. So these are some examples of what to say, the subordinating conjunctions. Now let us talk about the correlative. Correlative here, it is always used in pair. So correlative conjunctions are always used in pair. Just like the first one came, either or, not only but also, neither nor, both and, no sooner than. So here we have some examples of correlative. So I think we have seen the coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. Now just come to page number 125 from your book. Let's see. We are going to talk about the usage of and. So and is used, just see there. And joins things or ideas that are similar. So what is the work of and? This and will, the work of and is to join similar ideas. So let me write, and joins similar, similar ideas or thoughts. So same thing, it is going to join the same thing. Next, we have the usage of but. So but, when we use but, so what does it do? It joins, opposite things. So it joins what? Opposite things or ideas. Okay, but is used when only to join, okay, to join the opposite things or ideas. Next we have usage of or. Or is used when, you can see or is used to join things or ideas that expresses choice. So here it is used to, okay, choice. So it is, what is it doing? So it is express a choice. Okay, to express a choice we use express choice. Okay, we use or. Number 4 we have so. When we write or when we use so, it is, what is that? It is one, okay, one part is the result of another. So one part of the sentence is the result of the other part. Next one, because. When we talk about the result, okay, so when we talk about the result we use so. Let us do the next one, because. So because one part is the reason for another. So when we talk about, okay, or we use because, okay, to join the reason, okay, for another. Since, if, okay, one part is the reason for another, so if one part is the reason for another, then we use since. Similarly, we have the usage of after. Tells us the time when something happened. So after tells us the time when it happened. Similarly, we have before tells us the time when something happened, and then while is used when, okay, tells us the time when something happened, and when, okay, tells us the time when something happened. So here we see, okay, all this usage. We have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 are there. I just ask you to write down the usage, okay, when to use, okay, and, but, and all this 11. No, don't write any examples. You are not supposed to write any examples. Only the, okay, left side, in the left column, okay, you have the usage of these conjunctions. Please write only these conjunctions in the copy. And on the next day we'll be discussing questions, okay, exercises. And for today, I just ask you, okay, learn the definition of conjunctions and type of conjunctions, and we have seen the usage of conjunctions. Please write down in the copy. Thank you for attending or just listening to the class.